Meta's first tested its little vibe coding app Pocket in Brazil, and now it's made its way to the US. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The app, which allows people to generate mini-games called Gizmos by using simple prompts, is getting a wider rollout. The games get published as scrollable feed, bringing in a social media component. Users can save Gizmos to a favorites list and repost Gizmos to their feed. These games make full use of the capabilities available in modern smartphones. They can respond to both touch and tilt, and can include photos and even songs. Once saved to a profile, other people can remix them into unique creations. But you might be thinking why they're called Gizmos. Well, there are a couple of probable reasons for that. First of all, they aren't just games. The marketing advertises simple experiences like a canvas to paint on. Also, Meta hired nearly the entire team behind an app called Gizmo. This led to the app shutting down. Gizmo was basically the same thing as Pocket and even used similar nomenclature referring to the creations as Gizmos. Whatever the reason might be, Pocket is available right now and it's free. It can be worth a download and a couple of minutes before getting bored. This is just the latest AI-forward move that Meta has made. Last year, the company launched a feature for the Meta AI app called Vibes that's basically a feed for AI slop. Apart from this, Facebook also recently introduced the ability to tweak profile photos with AI-powered animation. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.